Watch as the plane tries to make an emergency landing, rapidly descending, then crashing on top of the car. You can see the sparks flying as the plane slides on the roadway, then comes to an abrupt stop on the guardrail. The damaged car right behind it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Father and son Jim and Peter Coffey were in the car, watching it all unfold.
It was shock.
Miraculously, she suffered only minor injuries. It happened Monday evening near Florida's Space Coast. The NTSB says the plane departed Merritt Island, Florida on an instructional flight.
Stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.